Imagine standing in the heart of the savannah as the sun sets, feeling the reverberations of the wild around you. Suddenly, in the distance, a low guttural rumble begins to build, growing louder and more powerful with each passing second. It is the sound that resonates through the ages, a symphony of dominance and strength, the iconic roar of the lion. This mighty sound, a primal crescendo that pierces the air, encapsulates the untamed spirit of the wilderness. It is a declaration of power, a call that echoes across the plains, reminding all creatures that the knee of beasts reigns supreme. The lion's roar is more than just a sound, it is a visceral experience that shakes the soul, commanding attention and respect, and invoking the essence of the untamed majesty that only nature can bestow. That's all. Friend, you feel effects of lion roar? Okay.